Prohibited niches on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Navigating YouTube's community guidelines is crucial, as certain niches are strictly prohibited to maintain a safe and respectful online space. From hate speech to illegal activities, YouTube enforces stringent policies against content that violates ethical, legal, or community standards. This commitment is evident in the platform's use of automated systems and human moderators to promptly identify and address prohibited content. Understanding and adhering to these guidelines is essential for creators to contribute responsibly and sustain a positive digital environment on YouTube. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Dangerous challenges and pranks. Dangerous challenges and pranks stand as prohibited niches on YouTube due to the potential harm they pose. Encouraging or glorifying activities that jeopardize the safety of participants or others violates YouTube's community guidelines. This includes challenges that involve physical harm, risky stunts, or potentially harmful pranks. Such content can lead to accidents, injuries, or even fatalities, making it a priority for YouTube to restrict and discourage the creation and dissemination of these videos. Prioritizing user safety, YouTube aims to foster a positive and secure environment, prompting the prohibition of content that endorses dangerous challenges and pranks. Number 9. Scams and deceptive practices. Scams and deceptive practices are strictly prohibited niches on YouTube, aligning with the platform's commitment to user safety and integrity. Content that promotes fraudulent schemes, misinformation, or any deceptive practices intended to harm or exploit users violates YouTube's community guidelines. This includes videos encouraging scams, phishing, or any form of financial deception. YouTube aims to maintain a trustworthy environment for its users, and therefore, content creators engaging in such practices face consequences, including video removal and potential account suspension. The platform's stringent stance against scams underscores its dedication to fostering a secure and reliable online community. Number 8. Copyright infringement. Copyright infringement is a strictly prohibited niche on YouTube to uphold intellectual property rights. Creating content that uses copyrighted material without proper authorization violates YouTube's community guidelines. This includes using music, images, or videos without the necessary permissions. Violating copyright rules can lead to video removal, channel strikes, or even account termination. Upholding the principles of fair use and respecting copyright laws is paramount on YouTube, fostering a platform that values creators' intellectual property and encourages lawful content creation. Number 7. Misinformation. Misinformation is a prohibited niche on YouTube, reflecting the platform's commitment to providing accurate and reliable content. Creating videos that spread false or misleading information, especially related to health, public safety, or sensitive topics, violates YouTube's community guidelines. The platform takes a strong stance against content that may harm users by promoting misinformation. YouTube employs various measures, including fact-checking tools and partnerships with credible sources, to mitigate the spread of false information. Creators found disseminating misinformation face consequences, such as video removal or channel penalties, underscoring YouTube's dedication to fostering a responsible and trustworthy online environment. Number 6. Sexual content involving minors. Sexual content involving minors is an unequivocal prohibited niche on YouTube, aligning with the platform's unwavering commitment to child safety and adherence to legal standards. Any content that exploits or sexualizes minors in any form is strictly against YouTube's community guidelines and local laws. The platform employs robust measures, including automated systems and human moderators, to swiftly detect and remove such content. Violators face severe consequences, such as video removal, account termination, and legal action. YouTube's stringent stance on preventing the dissemination of inappropriate content involving minors underscores its dedication to maintaining a secure and responsible online environment. Number 5. Child endangerment. Child endangerment stands as a strictly prohibited niche on YouTube, reflecting the platform's unwavering commitment to child safety. Any content that puts minors at risk or is harmful to children is in clear violation of YouTube's community guidelines. This includes but is not limited to content that exploits, endangers, or puts minors in potentially harmful situations. YouTube employs a combination of automated systems and human moderators to swiftly identify and remove such content. Violators face severe consequences, including video removal, account termination, and potential legal action. Upholding the safety and well-being of minors remains paramount within YouTube's content policies. Number 4. Graphic content. Graphic content, particularly excessively violent or disturbing material, is a prohibited niche on YouTube, reflecting the platform's commitment to maintaining a safe and respectful environment. Content that involves gratuitous violence, gore, or shocking imagery is strictly against YouTube's community guidelines. The platform employs automated systems and human reviewers to identify and take action against such content swiftly. This prohibition ensures the protection of users, including minors, from exposure to potentially distressing or harmful material. Creators violating these guidelines face consequences, such as video removal, account penalties, or account termination, reinforcing YouTube's dedication to fostering a responsible and secure online community. Number 3. Harassment and Cyberbullying. Harassment and cyberbullying are unequivocally prohibited niches on YouTube, in alignment with the platform's commitment to fostering a positive and respectful community. Content that harasses, threatens, or bullies individuals violates YouTube's community guidelines. This includes any form of online abuse, hate speech, or harmful behavior directed towards others. Creators engaging in such behavior face serious consequences, ranging from video removal to account suspension. This stringent stance underscores YouTube's dedication to creating a safe and inclusive digital space for users worldwide. Number 2. Hate speech. Hate speech is a strictly prohibited niche on YouTube, reflecting the platform's commitment to fostering an inclusive and respectful online community. The platform employs a combination of automated systems and human moderators to swiftly identify and remove hate speech content. Creators found violating these guidelines face serious consequences, including video removal, channel strikes, and potential account termination. YouTube's robust measures underscore its dedication to combating hate speech and creating a safe digital space for diverse audiences. Number 1. Illegal activities. Illegal activities constitute a prohibited niche on YouTube, aligning with the platform's commitment to legal and ethical content. Any content that encourages or showcases illegal behavior, such as drug use, criminal activities, or other unlawful acts, violates YouTube's community guidelines. The platform employs advanced algorithms and human moderators to swiftly detect and remove such content. Creators engaging in promoting illegal activities face severe consequences, including video removal, channel strikes, and potential account termination. This prohibition underscores YouTube's dedication to maintaining a responsible and law-abiding online environment, prioritizing the safety and well-being of its diverse user base. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.